Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchors are designed and made in the USA from billet aluminum and provide a stronger, more useful, and better looking option to the basic factory supplied tie-down anchors. They come in a variety of colors and options for various models. Today we'll be working on this 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We will be installing 2 rail tie-down anchors with the included hardware. Tools required for this job will be an impact or a ratchet and a 6mm hex bit. The first step is to locate the rail you'd like to install the tie-down anchor onto and remove the end cap. Next, loosely assemble the rail tie-down anchor with the included plate and hardware, with the notch side facing up or out. During assembly, make sure not to tighten the bolts all the way so that the rail tie-down anchor will slide into the rail. Find a suitable mounting position and then tighten it. Nice and solid, and it looks good. Repeat the same process for the other tie-down anchors. Once finished, the end caps can be reinstalled back onto the factory rail. Here is a quick demonstration of the various ways a tie-down can be used with these anchors. So that's it, they're looking good, and that's all it takes to install the Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchors. For a complete listing of bed tie-down anchors and more information, visit BilletTie-Downs.com. Thank you for watching.